Amazing morning in Sant'Agata Bolognese, but we are here to feast our eyes on some beautiful Lambos. And the first one is a hybrid Urus SE. Orange calipers on this one. Could that be the first Revuelto of the day? What? Aha, menacing spec. Great start, I guess. Hey, Temerario time. Green spec with the black contrast roof, very cool. Urus SE. Very simple black spec. Let's go, another Revuelto! Ah, okay, dual tone with the grey body. Wait for it! Urus SE! Another simple black one. Okay, pretty loud one. Hybrid V12, hell yeah! Kinda unusual spec for a Revuelto. Interesting. White Urus SE, getting back. Again, another Temerario! Very deep blue spec, very classy. New Temerario incoming! Hey! Plain white spec, but also very quiet. Hey, is that a green Urus SE? Yo, another friendly one! Ah, yes, it was a green one. Very nice. To me that looks like a green Temerario. Yes, indeed. Hey! And a beautiful green spec, yes? Temerario. Oh, and it's not alone. Matte Black Revuelto for the combo. Wow, that was so cool. Big boy and smaller boy, Urus SE. Oh my god, check out the spec on this Temerario. That is amazing. I honestly don't know the name, but I love this color. Guys, Revuelto incoming! Let's go! Wing action! Wait a moment, Revuelto test mule? Yeah, definitely in full electric mode. Oh, nice spec on this smart! Guys, that is a loud Urus SE. Fucking hell, that was super loud! Get ready for another Revuelto! Oh wait, that is another test mule! And there is something written on the hood? Wait, I need to know what's written in there! Ah, come on, I can't really see from here! That is now a mystery. Bold orange Urus SE. Ah, come on, the camera doesn't even want to focus anymore. Wait for it, very loud Revuelto incoming. Yes! Oh, we have another Temerario! Yeah, okay. Wait, is that a Ferrari spec on the Urus? Haha, yes, red Urus SE! Wait, yes! Oh, it's the Revuelto test mule. Okay, let's see what's on that paper on the hood. Uh-huh, okay. But wait! I think I heard an hybrid V8. Let's see. Oh, yes, sir, the beautiful Temerario. Just behind the tractor. Wow, can absolutely confirm, stunning spec for this one. Come on, another Urus SE. Yo! Full black. Hey, what do we have? Wait, it's not a combo! Oh my god! No way! Gold spec on the Revuelto and a stunning light blue on the other Revuelto. That was a crazy combo, guys! Come on, please be something good! Oh yes, absolutely! Possibly Blu Tanus spec on this Temerario. Ehi, nice puro sangue! Yet another one! Very nice! Ooh, white one, alright. Sorry, had to move for this big boy here. There it is. Hey, Urus SE with a matte spec. Not half bad, honestly. Oh, finally, Temerario alleggerita. Lovely spec, definitely approved. Finally, it's the gold Revuelto. Wait, did he have red calipers? Why? Yes, that's another Lambo. And it's a Verde Scandal Urus. What a crazy bold spec and interesting combo, yeah. Could that be the dual-tone black and yellow Temerario? Yes, it is, and it gives me strong Gallardo vibes. There goes the full black Urus SE. The other white Temerario. Oh, nice! What an absolute king! Well done! V12, I think. Oh, yes. Again, what a beautiful spec on the Revuelto. Fast and bold Revuelto. Let's go, some proper wing action! Verde Scandal Urus! That is super bold, as every Lambo should be, yeah! Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is Blu Tanus. Very nice. We should have a yellow Temerario. Oh my god! Double Temerario action. Okay, white Temerario.